What's going on, guys? We are talking about the 10 by 10 double roof hardtop gazebo. Oh my God. This thing is amazing. Heavy duty galvanized steel. This has got a hard top. Now, this thing is completely waterproof too. This is great for your patios, great for your terrace. This is great for your backyard. Summertime is here. Anti-UV, smooth drainage, and a double roof, so the water is going to slide right off and not get inside. The design is built for stability, and you got double layer curtains. You got the thick net on the inside and a double tracks. Then you have the thick curtain layer on the outside, double zippers up and down. This thing is going to keep you cool, calm, and protected. And great in the summer and spring times. This can fit up to 6 to 8 people. We have 2 in the video here. And this is wind resistant up to levels 5 and 6 and can support up to 6 inches of snow. I don't know about you, but this thing right here is pretty damn awesome. You guys know what to do.